ProQuest is one of the major providers of library periodical databases. The MCTC library subscribes to several specialized ProQuest databases. You will see a slightly different screen depending on which specific ProQuest database you are using. The screen you are looking at is the Federated Basic Search screen. When you enter a search in the Federated search box, it searches across all the ProQuest databases owned by the MCTC library. Generally, you should only search the databases that relate to your specific topic focus, or that contain the type of information you are seeking. For example, if you are searching for scholarly articles, you would not search the Global Newsstream database, since newspapers do not contain scholarly journal material. I'm going to search for material related to the Black Liberation Movement, which was prominent in the 1960s and 1970s, and continues somewhat to the present day. If you want help on searching, press the Search Tips link located on the lower right of the search box. A window pops up that provides you with detailed search tips. As I enter my search, ProQuest provides possible search terms. I see several different search phrases that might locate useful information. I will jot down Black Liberation in America and Black Liberation Army and try them later. In the Search Tips area, it told me that ProQuest defaults to searching for all the terms in the search box. This means that the database defaults to a Boolean AND search, which translates my search into the following. When I press the search icon, I get 53,732 results. This is far too many results. The words highlighted in yellow are where the database matched my search terms. If I want to narrow my search results, I can tell the database to only locate material containing the exact phrase Black Liberation Movement. To do this, I put quotation marks around the words, as it tells me in the Search Tips area. This limits my results to 1,692. This doesn't necessarily mean that the exact phrase search is a better search, just that it located only those items that contain the exact phrase. It may be worth looking through the results from the Boolean AND search, since there may be some useful articles dealing with the Black Liberation Movement that don't use that exact phrase. However, if I wanted to investigate the relationship that women had to the Black Liberation Movement, or the role that women played in the movement, I would add "and women" to my exact search phrase. This reduces my results to 640. On the left of the results screen, ProQuest tells me how many items are in each source type. If I want to view articles from scholarly journals, I press the Scholarly Journals link. I can now narrow the results further by selecting other attributes. For example, in the document type, I could choose to only view the feature articles. If for some reason I wanted to only view articles published in the past 10 years, I would enter the date range 2007 through 2017. I now only have 29 results. If I want to see the full text of the article, I can press either the article title or the full text link. To view the full text as it appeared in the original print version of the resource, press the Full Text PDF link. I can print the article, or save the article, or email it to myself or others. I can also get a formatted citation in a variety of formats that I can copy and paste into my paper's bibliography. This ends the ProQuest Basic Search Interface tutorial.